Very good morning to all the students and staff present over here. Myself Priyanka, a new addition to Sankalp family. I'm a certified nutritionist and an NLP trainer. It's an honor to be a part of today's celebrations on the stage. Well, most of the girls must have known me earlier, right? Yeah, I came to the Independence Day celebrations this year to the girls' campus. I recollect this funny incident when Madhukar sir has given me the mic to speak a few words on the stage, if you remember. And all I could say was all the best, and I ran away from there. And now also I'm a little nervous. But then I've seen so many girls take initiative where you came up with different topics. You just didn't do that Google thing from what is Independence Day, etc. You came up with interesting stuff. It was really wonderful to see young girls speak so much. It requires a lot of courage. It's not so easy. There's a lot of stage fear for all of us. And all the braveness you have, you should carry it throughout your life. And boys are no less, since I've not been to boys' campus. So proud of you, all of you. And you should keep up the spirit high as always. And most of you must have heard this from your parents or teachers saying, just clear off your 10th, you'll be done. And then just clear off with your inter or MSET, get a rank in IIT, and then you'll be done. Again comes engineering. Just study hard for 4 years and then you'll be done. Again get a job. So you'll be done, you'll never be done. Okay? So working hard, putting effort should be a part of your life. It's nothing that you have an end for it. Why people tell you in such a way that in order to train your body and your mind to push your limits. Because once you go to a career, you set up a business or maybe you get a job wherein you'll not be done, right? Is it all? Once you get a job, are you done? No. There again you need to get a promotion, you need to move forward. So all of a sudden, if you should work hard, it will be difficult for you. This is the age wherein you should train yourselves to give your 110%. That is why parents or teachers tell you that this is the right age to start working hard. I definitely say that you are an inspiration for me to be here to talk something here on the stage, because I again go back to Independence Day where I've seen there's no fear in you, okay? And I wouldn't say always keep studying, don't take it as a stress. Make some time for yourself, okay? 1 hour a day, make any hobby. It could be any small thing, read book, or you like singing, dancing, art and craft, anything that refreshes you. Recharge yourself. And one pro tip I would give to all of you is meditate. Meditation is boring, because even it was boring for me, but then start with 2 minutes a day, okay? Every day, even if you don't like it, start meditating. The peace it gives you is worth it, trust me, okay? And I would end this speech by saying, focus on a single thing at a time rather than a bunch of things. All the very best, stay safe, take your time.